Hey guys, it's Mr. Anderson again. I just wanted to show you how to complete your extra credit beginning of the year letter assignment. So basically, I wrote a letter to you guys just introducing myself to you all. And of course, I want to get to know you guys better. So what I did was I've created an assignment. It is going to be 3 extra credit points on your Module 1 exam if you complete it and if you fulfill all of the grading requirements that I posted on that assignment. So let's get into it. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys. And so you should see my screen right here. I'm going to minimize that. All right, so I have signed in Canvas and I'm on Canvas. Let me click Student View so you can see exactly how you see it, right? So this is how you should see your screen right now. So I see two. It says Extra Credit Letter Assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, so here are my instructions. Once again, I've written a letter for you all. Here is the PDF letter that you can view, and here's the Word document letter that you can view. Either one is fine. But this is just so you can view the letter that I wrote to you. So I'm going to click on the PDF letter. And the PDF letter has downloaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click it, and it's going to open up in a new tab. So here's my letter to you all. And you're, of course, going to read this very carefully, right? And then you're going to mirror my letter that I wrote to you. And you're going to mirror the format when you're writing your letter. I'm going to use complete sentences. Your paragraphs must be at least 3 to 5 sentences long. You must have at least 5 paragraphs. They have to be coherent and they have to be submitted on time and appropriate. So when you are ready to begin writing your letter back to me, you're going to go down here and open up Microsoft Word. So open up Microsoft Word and you're going to create a new blank document. So of course we always need to save our work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Save As, go to Browse. And just to make sure we're saving in our folder, you should have all made folders for each one of your classes. I also have a video about how to do that that is posted on the computer help module. But in the meantime, I know that I have a folder saved, so I'm going to go ahead and save it into my history folder. So I'm going to say extra credit letter. Save. And I'm going to save it. So this is my extra credit letter to you all. So I'm going to say, hi, my name is Mr. Anderson, right? And then blah, blah, blah. So once I have all these paragraphs filled out, once I'm confident that I will meet or exceed Mr. Anderson's expectations, I'm going to save it and I'm going to minimize it or close out. I'm just going to close out for the sake of this. So once I'm confident that I have my letter ready to go, I'm going to press Submit Assignment on this assignment in Canvas. Next, you should see Choose File. I'm going to press Choose File. Your File Explorer is going to pop up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that history folder that I saved my assignment in. And here it is, Extra Credit Letter. So I'm going to click Open. And then boom, there it is. You should always check and make sure that your document name is right here, because if it is not right here, then you have not done something correctly, right? So I know that my document has been uploaded. And then once I'm ready to upload, I'm going to press Submit Assignment. And then I should get this congratulations page because I've submitted my extra credit letter. So once again, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's how we do it. Just wanted to show you guys really quick how to do that. As always, feel free to call me. If you have any questions, you can call me at the school. You can shoot me an email. You can shoot me an email or a message on Canvas. Please reach out to me. We as your teachers, we are only here to help you guys. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or comments regarding any of your assignments. Have a great night.